Back to nature. The cool, clear waters. The beautiful sky. And the birds. And the high tension wires. And the streetcar. And this guy. And that Jeep. And this building right here. Look at the lighting on that thing. This Jeep going by. That's a good Jeep. I don't know where they usually. I don't know. Let's go to that place where they have that thing. No. The streetcar's moving. Oh, the streetcar's moving. Where can I get it? Can I get it? Is it there? You can't even know that the streetcar's moving. There it goes. There's that light. See that light? There it goes. All right. Yeah. Right. Huh? Back to nature. At the very edge of City Park in New Orleans. At the bridge that goes over the. This is gonna have a name. This bridge. I should find that out. Esplanade and Moss. Esplanade Moss is another thing. That should be a place too. Why is that not a place? Holy mother and daughter of crack. I'm just... Oh my god, this guy is insane. Why not put her in my movie?